It's an interesting idea to think about. The idea of a screen room or 4 wall screens as sometimes seen in films such as Minority Report. It might not seem like a particularly useful thing to have, but you'd be quick to judge. There's actually plenty of benefits we'd gain from it. Computers will be relieved of the strain of commuting, and they will reduce car accidents. They will also help to connect us to friends and acquaintances. In the past, some people have complained that the computer revolution has dehumanized and isolated us. In reality, it has allowed us to exponentially expand our circle of friends and acquaintances. When you feel alone, you are in need of company. You will simply ask your wall screen to set up a bridge game with other lonely individuals anywhere in the world. When you want some assistance planning a vacation, organizing a trip, or finding a date, you will do it via your wall screen. In the future, a friendly face might first emerge on your wall screen, a face you can change to suit your tastes. You will ask it to plan a vacation for you. It already knows your preferences and will scan the internet and give you a list of the best possible options at the best prices. Family gatherings may also take place via the wall screen. All 4 walls of your living room will have wall screens, so you will be surrounded by images of your relatives from far away. In the future, perhaps a relative may not be able to visit for an important occasion. Instead, the family may gather around the wall screen and celebrate a reunion that is part real and part virtual. Or via your contact lens, you can see the images of all your loved ones as if they were really there, even though they're thousands of miles away. Teleconferencing will be replaced by telepresence. The complete 3D images and sounds of a person will appear in your glasses or contact lens. At a meeting, for example, everyone will sit down around a table, except some of the participants will appear only in your lens. Without your lens, you would see that some of the chairs are empty on the table. With your lens, you will see the image of everyone sitting on their chairs as if they were there. This means that all participants will be videotaped by a special camera around a similar table, and then their images sent over the internet. In the movie Star Wars, audiences were amazed to see 3D images of people appearing in the air, like in the scene where Leia asks help from Obi-Wan via R2-D2.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
Using computer technology, we'll be able to see these 3D images in our contact lens, glasses, or wall screens in the future. At first, it might seem strange talking to an empty room, but remember, when the telephone first came out, some criticized it, saying that people would not want to speak to disembodied voices. They wailed that it would gradually replace direct person-to-person contact. The critics were right, but today we don't mind speaking to disembodied voices, because it has vastly increased our circle of contacts and enriched our lives. This may also change your love life. If you are lonely, your wall screen will know your past preferences and the physical and social characteristics you want in a date, and then scan the internet for a possible match. And since people sometimes lie in their profiles, as a security measure, your screen will automatically scan each person's history to detect falsehoods in their biography. I want to use this moment to briefly inform you about Digital Butterfly. This channel is an independent project of a group of people with love for science and technology. Our research contains useful information from popular books and articles by well-known scientists and engineers. Our goal is to inform you about how the future is going to look like and give you an idea and familiarity with the technology and lifestyle we are going to face ourselves in the future. Naturally, when speaking about the future, not everything can be 100% correct, so always take everything with a pinch of salt. If you find these videos to be interesting and useful, do not hesitate to use your power to support the project by subscribing to our channel and liking our videos. Next time, we're going to wake up on January 1st, 2100 and experience life that most of us likely won't see. A look into the home buddy software Molly and how it will vastly simplify our daily lives. Tune in next time and we'll find out together.